Flower Garden by Eve Bunting, retold by Alina. The little girl is on a journey getting her mother a mini flower garden for her birthday. She can hardly wait to get home with the garden. It makes everyone on the bus smile. She's very exhausted, but she still carries the flowers to her door. She and her father plant the gorgeous flowers. High above the street, her elegant garden sits on the windowsill. Everyone looks up to see the beautiful garden. She looks out the window to find her loving mother walking home. Will her mother have a happy birthday? Read Flower Garden by Eve Bunting to find out.